Alright guys, so I'm here at my neighbor's house in Idaho, and he just built this little tiny home. I'll show it to you here. So it's just a little container, shipping container, tiny home. Well, it's not really a tiny home, it's bigger than that because they built this addition on the side of it. Pretty cool. So, and then they just sold this place, but yeah, they put the solar panels in, and they hired me to get it all hooked up. So this little Mr. Power unit is hooked up here. Here's the model number. It's a 5 kilowatt unit. I'm actually pretty impressed with this so far. It has a lot of settings in here compared to my grow watt inverter. My 12 kilowatt grow watt inverter has less settings than this thing. So it's a hybrid inverter. So it can run without batteries connected to it and feed the power back into the grid and all that. So anyway, I just connected everything right here on circuit breakers and a automatic transfer switch. So this they're feeding power from the neighbors into here as a backup source, and then they also have the generator here. It's going to be connected outside, and then they're using these used NiCad nickel cadmium hydride batteries that they got from the railroad. So yeah, I got all those hooked up and it's working pretty good. I was able to run that air compressor. See this air compressor there, and this chop saw or whatever, miter saw, whatever you call it, at the same time with the air compressor going. Then I would also started up the chop saw, and it handled it just fine. So anyway, thought I'd share this with you. So yeah, it's a cool system. They're wanting to use these other used nickel cadmium hydride or NiCad batteries, but half these cells are dead, and they don't have enough cells here to produce a 48 volt system. So they're just going to be stuck with that. That's about 15 kilowatt hours of of storage there. So, and that's, I don't know, 5,000 or 6,000 watts of solar panels they were used. So anyway, for not that much money, I think the battery pack was about $1,000. These were probably, so anyway, yeah, so that's it for now. Thought I'd just share this with you.